Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to call back an object created in Python. Introduction. In Python, calling back an object refers to the process of using a previously created object in your code. This tutorial will guide you through the steps of creating an object and then calling it back in Python. We'll cover the basics of object-oriented programming, OOP, and provide a code example to illustrate the concept. Step 1. Define a class. The first step in creating an object is to define a class. A class is a blueprint for creating objects with shared attributes and behaviors. Here's a simple example of a class definition. In this example, we've defined a dog class with an __init___ method that initializes the object's attributes, name and age. The bark method is a simple behavior of the dog class. Step 2. Create an object. Once the class is defined, you can create an object of that class. This is known as instantiation. Here's an example of creating a dog object. In this example, we've created a dog object named my_dog with the name Buddy and age 3. Step 3. Call back the object. Now that we have an object, we can call back its attributes and methods. Here's how you can do that. In this code snippet, we're accessing the name and age attributes of the my_dog object and calling its bark method. Complete example. Output. Conclusion. Calling back an object in Python involves accessing its attributes and methods after creating it. This tutorial provided a simple example using a dog class, but the principles apply to any class and object in Python. Understanding how to work with objects is fundamental to effective object-oriented programming. ChatGPT.